Hello, Tanuja.
Tanuja, you are on mute.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good.
Okay.
And tell me about yourself.
Okay. This is Tanuja. I am a 21-year-old. I am doing my graduation and I have a job. I am a content writer and creator. And I have to do my do work in websites and do SEO works. And that's all. I uh, take classes also.
Oh,
And
that's great. Actually, my background is also a IT background, and I am a software engineer.
okay.
So yeah, and I have work I am work in a skill development department.
Okay. Right.
So yeah,
You are working.
yeah, I am working,
Okay.
and yeah, I am as a MIS head. I am working in this.
Okay, that's
So, yeah, yes,
great.
and I love to do work in computer and uh, doing many more things in computer.
Okay, okay. My hobbies are like this only. I like to dancing, painting, and most of the time I spend in doing editing and all. Like in Canva, I post it, I
Oh,
make and all these things.
oh, nice. I love to do dancing also,
Okay.
and yeah, this is a very nice hobby and refreshing.
Yes, I like dancing very much.
Oh, that's great.
That's wonderful. Kaisha, jump in. Come on, talk.
Hi Tanuja,
Hi, Kaisha. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also fine.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing, singing, painting, and I love to do mehendi also. These are my hobbies. And yours?
Mine are playing badminton, chess, and also crafting.
Okay, that's nice. I think you are too young. How?
Yes, I'm in third standard. I'm 8 years old.
Oh, that's great. You are learning English from your early age.
Thank you.
That's great. And
Hello Tanuja,
hi, Preeti. How are you?
I'm pretty well, thank you. And how about you?
I'm also good.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Halwani, that is Uttarakhand.
Okay, I am also from Haldwani,
Okay, okay. From where?
Awas Vikas Colony. And
Okay,
you?
okay. I am from Kamalbagh.
Okay.
And guys, don't share your address, otherwise the viewers will come to you, visit you.
Uh, Haldwani is a very nice place.
Yes, it's very.
I
Indeed.
I never visit earlier, but I want to visit Haldwani.
So you should visit like Nainital and that Kausani, Ranikhet, Bageshwar. It's very beautiful.
Yeah, I know it's very beautiful, but due to some time issues, we're not able to visit these places.
Yes, whenever
Yeah,
you get,
I
surely visit.
yeah, I did my BSc from Nainital DSB campus.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, for all of you, I have made some presentation like amazing facts. So, I want, sir, can I?
Yeah, yeah, go on.
So, the first amazing fact is that the strongest muscles in a body is the tongue, right? Like the strongest muscles in our whole body is the tongue.
Okay. Yeah, tongue is.
And now I want to like second, and take rest for around 8 minutes in 12-hour period.
Oh.
Yes, sir, right. That ants take only 8 minutes rest in 12-hour period.
12 hours period.
Yes, it's
Only
only 8.
8 minutes. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
That's too short.
Yes. And the third is I am. That I am is the shortest sentence in the English language.
I am, yeah, right, correct. I
Because
am.
every sentence need one subject and predicates. So
Yes.
I is the subject and am is the predicate, and that make the shortest word
Sentence.
Yeah,
with
shortest,
without
shortest answer.
yes shortest sentence.
Hmm.
And next is that chocolate can kill dog.
Oh.
Did you know? If any dog eat chocolates, it can kill him as the chocolate contain theobromine that can harm their nervous system and their heart. So
Oh,
it's very harmful for them. So
I never,
yes,
I
if
never
you
know before.
now the next is that rhythm is the longest word without vowels. Vowels means A E
Yeah,
I O U.
yeah.
Yeah.
The spelling is RHYTHM, and it does not contain any vowel. So
Yes.
rhythm
Yeah.
is
Rhythm.
the
Okay.
longest English word without
Mm.
vowel.
Wow.
And some of others are butterfly. That butterfly taste with their feet,
Ooh, ooh.
not for the mouth and all. They butterflies taste with their feet.
Very interesting fact. This.
They are,
I,
yeah, amazing.
That last one is funny also. That orange aren't always orange. They have
Yeah.
any yellow or that mostly yellow and green as well. So
Hmm.
orange aren't we all orange.
Always orange, yeah.
From where did you got these
So
sentences?
yes.
From where did you got these sentences?
In our school, there is a assembly time when we have to make these sentences. I am that person that teachers give me that duty that you have to find amazing facts. So I just take notebooks back page and there is written. So I have made some of the points in my notebook from my school time only. So these are from there only.
And these are really amazing facts, yeah?
Yes.
we don't know about this.
Yeah.
And what is the smallest word without vowel? Shortest. Without vowel. A-E-I-O-U. You can. That is my M-Y. Without vowel.
Okay. By the way, guys, let me tell you why is actually a vowel.
Why?
Yeah, it is a separated member of A E I O U, but it has that E sound, na? So Y
Yes,
is
yes.
also a vowel. Earlier it used to be a vowel, but later on it got separated. So that is why some of the words you can see still without vowel, but Y must be there.
Yes, yes. Because E sound is there.
Hmm. Okay, these are amazing facts, really. I am amazed too. Yeah, guys, carry on, continue.
So, uh, someone can tell their experience or something.
So, Tanuja, in which standard do you study?
I am doing my graduation. I'm
Okay,
doing my BCom. It's my last year.
Okay,
nice.
from MBPG college.
Yes, yes. It's from our university.
Okay.
Hmm.
What are your plans after graduation?
I want to do MBA after that and want to secure a good government job for like so I after that I will pursue some of the courses as well for government preparation.
Okay, for government preparations. Okay,
Yes.
like banking.
Yes, like for banking, SSC and all these things.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
If
There's
this
a yeah, you can say that there's a many issues in government jobs.
Yes, it's right,
There's
but
a
some
many.
that it's secure and whenever like in Corona time there is no job, but the government job is the only job by which people are taking
Yeah, you
money.
can. You're right.
Yes, it's like it's my I have second option also. If this work don't work, so I will do my MBA and I secure job in my MNC's company and all this.
Mm. For MBA, you have to crack CAT, MAT.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I have form of that right now.
yeah.
Hmm. Yes. So Preeti is also a married woman with kids. We can also talk about her, like how is her experience, how is she able to manage time. Yeah, Preeti, come on, speak up.
It's very hard to become housewife rather than a working woman.
Yeah, they live a tougher
There's a
life.
very difficulties with
Yes,
a housewife and working. Both there's a facing very difficulties to manage both things,
yes.
house and plus job.
Just look at her, how disappointed she looks. Very tensed, lot of pressure. Yeah,
Yes,
Preeti, come
sir.
on, speak up. She's
I
about to
have to
cry, you
repeat.
know.
No, sir.
She's like, she got emotional. How could somebody talk about her pain?
No, sir.
So Kaisha, as you are the youngest one with us, and you seems to be more intelligent than the people for your age. So do you also get scolded from your parents at times? And if you do, then what is the reason? Like mostly, what is the reason why if you get scolded? What is it that you get scolded for?
Sir, sometime if I play and not study that, and sometimes I study more and play.
Less.
Like, yes.
So you get scolded for both the reasons. Like some don't study more, don't play more. They got to be balanced. Okay, as you know sound kind of very intellectual and mature. You are kind of old
Yes,
head on young shoulders. Old head on young shoulders. So what are your eating habits? Like, do you also eat up like things like pizza, burger, like normal kids, or do you eat up some green vegetables? How do you manage to be so nice?
I don't like green vegetables, but somehow I eat like I can eat peas and like all. And I don't eat like I sometimes eat these unhealthy things, but not regularly.
See, I could make a guess that because the way you're talking, I'm sure that you are taking care of your good health. And how about your studies? Like, do you take a lot of time in remembering things, or it is very easy for you to, understand things and then give answers?
I understand things, but in thinking the answers, I take time.
Okay, so you are not able to give answers spontaneously. You take time to answer. Okay. So that's pretty well. I mean, I will be very happy to have a student like her in my class because, she seems to be very cute, intelligent, and very mature. Not like any other kid. Because my son is also in third standard, but he's very different. Every day he wants pizza. Like I'm picking him up from school, and the way he's like, Papa, shall we have pizza? Like I'm like, every day you want to have this. So he's very different.
Kids most like pizzas and pizza, burger, and junk food.
Yeah, even my daughter, she is only 1.5, and she has started speaking words like pizza, kut, cheesy.
Kinder Joy.
Yeah, it's like, Papa, I want cheese. Papa, pizza. Papa, kut. It's like biscuit and it's like kut. So she's able to speak pizza. I'm like, okay, that's too early. So according to her, I would say that you are much better. In comparison to them, you are much better. So Preeti, have you got something to say?
So Tanuja, what do you do in your free time?
I got free at 6 a.m. After that, I am free. I just watch some series, movies, and sometime I quit to Instagram and all. And at my exam time, I do my study and all.
Okay,
Okay.
so have you seen any new movie recently?
No, just recently was Mismatch season. That
Okay.
season three.
Excuse me.
So, what's your favorite movie and series?
Uh, I didn't watch series, but
Okay, movies.
yeah, I didn't get time because of my kids. My
Yes.
whole day busy house chores and with my kids spending time.
Oh,
So do you
Whenever I
miss?
get free time, I do meditation.
okay, that's very good.
That's very good.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's very strange also that a woman is, who is a mother of two young kids is getting time to do meditation. Hmm.
Yes,
Great.
I want to
yes.
do, but I don't have time. So I miss this. I want to do meditation, but I don't have time to
You
do
miss
this.
it because you are Mrs.
You can see, right.
So Mrs. miss a
Correct.
lot of things because they are Mrs.
Yeah, you are right.
And when you are
Because
Miss,
of
you
my
don't want to do it.
mother-in-law, yeah.
Yeah, you are
Even
saying something.
I'm
Yeah, Preeti, you were saying something about your in-laws?
Yes, because of mother-in-law, I get time to do meditation.
Great. She is a great lady.
Yes,
Are you doing
Yes.
as I
meditation
told you
because of
earlier.
her? Or because of her you are getting time to do meditation?
Uh, as per I told you earlier that she is very kind, supportive.
I was just pulling your leg. So that's good that you are not doing meditation because of her. You are able to do meditation because of her. That
Yes,
makes a
yes.
difference. Hmm. Nikita is not putting on a blanket today. Seems that the weather is better. Okay. And as we are towards the end of this session, so Tanuja, do you have anything to say to our students?
Talking with you all guys are it's amazing to talk, and I would like to thank sir for giving me this opportunity as I didn't get any time for this activity. But because of you, I am able to connect with peoples. And thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity.
Keep it up. You grabbed it. I'm glad. So keep it up. We'll see you tomorrow in the class.